Hi, I'm Nirali and welcome to our channel Food Diaries by Jeannie. This is our chutney special week and let's begin by preparing coconut chutney and tomato chutney. These are quick to prepare and good accompaniments for dosas, idlis, uttapams and even parathas. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to create more content. Also, do check out our other delicious recipes. Let us begin with the coconut chutney. The ingredients for this recipe are freshly grated coconut, dhalia, green chillies, ginger, lemon juice, salt to taste and some sugar. We'll take a chutney bowl and add dhalia, grated coconut, green chillies, ginger and freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by salt, sugar and some water. We'll make a paste by blending for about 2 to 3 rounds of 20 seconds each. Our chutney paste is ready. We'll now begin preparing the vaghar. In a tempering vessel, we'll add about 2 teaspoons of ghee followed by black gram dal, mustard and cumin seeds. When the ghee starts sputtering, we'll add asafoetida and curry leaves and finally garnish our chutney with it. The vaghar herbs and spices add to the taste of the fresh coconut chutney. And now, let us prepare our tomato chutney. The ingredients for this chutney are diced tomatoes, dhalia, green chillies, ginger, curry leaves and salt to taste. We'll begin with adding oil to a heated pan, followed by mustard and cumin seeds. Once the oil starts sputtering, we'll add asafoetida, curry leaves, ginger, green chillies and dhalia. And we'll roast this till the dhalia turns slightly brown. Then we'll add turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Finally, salt and diced tomatoes. We'll saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes and then switch off the heat and let it cool down. We'll add some water to this and make a paste in a mixie. It takes about 2 to 3 rounds of 20 seconds each. Our chutney paste is ready. Again, we'll do the vaghar. In the tempering vessel, we'll add about 2 teaspoons of ghee followed by black gram dal and mustard seeds. Once the ghee sputters, we'll add asafoetida and curry leaves. Now we'll top our chutney with the vaghar. So, both our chutneys are ready. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you liked it. Remember to cook healthy, eat healthy and stay happy. Stay tuned for more.